model, 2008 Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 100 PS single cab tipper needs fuel pump 106 km no VAT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 106,236. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 100 PS DURATORQ-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs only on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Fault code relate to fuel pressure too low, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.